So in this video, you'll learn how to take a screenshot without the buttons on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you want to not use the buttons whenever you want to take a screenshot, then this is what you need to do. You have two options. You have the option of swiping down for the quick settings panel and looking for the take screenshot option here. If you don't see it here, then you just need to add it. And adding it is fairly simple. Just tap on this edit icon here and then select edit quick settings. And then from here, look for take screenshot and tap on it. And then you can choose to move it around or leave it where it is. Then just select done and then done again to save and apply the changes. And so now whenever you glance at quick settings, you can see the take screenshot option. So this is one of the ways whenever you tap on the icon that you can use to take a screenshot without having to use your buttons. The second is by using the palm swipe gesture. So this gesture simply allows you to swipe your palm across the screen of your phone and then it will take a screenshot. In order for you to use this gesture, you have to start by enabling it. So to do that, open Settings, and then under Settings, you want to scroll and select Advanced Features. Under Advanced Features, look for Motions and Gestures and tap on it. Then from here, locate Palm Swipe to Capture. Once you found it, just tap on the to go like that. When it turns a blue color, it means it's been successfully enabled. And so now, whenever you want to use the palm swipe gesture to take a screenshot, all you need to do is simply swipe your palm across the screen like that. A screenshot will be taken, and you'll have successfully taken a screenshot without having to use any of the buttons. So those are the two ways you can take a screenshot without buttons on your Galaxy A36. Decide which one suits your preferences more and start taking screenshots today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.